Hello everyone, welcome back to my another YouTube video. So today I will be discussing a new topic which is basically based on Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System. In short, we can say IRNSS. So today in depth we will be doing the analysis of IRNSS where we will be discussing capabilities, future perspective of navigation in India and beyond. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and like button. Introduction to Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System. So what is so I have been saying IRNSS. What is that? So it's nothing but it's a Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System. It's a regional satellite navigation system which developed by India. It aims to provide a precise positioning information service to user within India and its neighboring regions, extending up to 15,000 like 1,500 kilometers beyond its border. So it's nothing basically. It helps to provide us services like we have been using phone, internet, television. So we have been using with the help of this satellite. So that's how we could watch any channels, we could access internet through this satellite. It's basically built by an Indian, and this satellite can be used by our neighbor region, and it is extended up to a 1,500 kilometer. So what is the accurate positioning service? One of the primary objective of IRNSS is to deliver accurate positioning services. This is crucial for applications such as landing, surveying, vehicle tracking, and navigation. Users can expect high levels of accuracy in their navigational data, enhancing overall operational efficiency. So just before now, I have said the what is the uses of satellite. The one uses is that the satellite can provide services like TV. It helps to do the broadcasting thing. But there is another kind of satellite which is a navigation, which we basically talking about. So this is nothing but the thing which we use Google Maps and many other navigation apps in which are there in our mobile phones, which helps to give the direction accurately. And there we have to take the usage of IRSS. So let's go to the civilian and military applications. So this satellite is designed to cater to both civilian and military navigational needs. This dual functionality is vital for national security, allowing for enhanced military operations while simultaneously supporting civilian applications such as transportation and logistics. As I said before, this satellite can be used for the services of civilian and military. If you're talking about the civilian, we can take example of Ola, Uber, Google Maps, which helps to direct to our destination. And for military, it can also be used for the many operations. So disaster management support. The system plays a significant role in disaster management and emergency services by providing reliable and timely navigation information. IRNSS can assist in coordinating rescue operation and delivering aid during natural disaster. So if there is a natural disaster, so we can take a help of this navigation satellite to take the exact position of them and to rescue them with the help of navigation satellite. Reducing reliance and foraging system. By developing its own navigation system, India aims to reduce dependency on foraging satellite navigation system like GPS. This independency enhanced national security and allow us to tailor solution that meet specific re- uh, regional needs. Uh, it basically saying that it's a made in India navigation satellite. That's it. Let's go into the next topic. Okay, let's discuss the technical overview of the IRNSS. So, constellation of satellite, we have many topics here, like enhancing accuracy, ground segment, geostationary satellite. So let's discuss one by one. What is constellation of satellite? So generally, IRNSS is composed of total of 7 satellites, crucial for providing accurate positioning service across the India region and surrounding areas. So basically, we have a 7 satellite like this all around the region, so that can provide a proper positioning and services. So geostationary satellites, three of the satellites are positioned in a geostationary orbit at an uh, altitude of approximately 36,000 kilometers above the Earth's surface, allowing them to remain fixed over a specific location. This configuration ensures uninterrupted coverage for critical applications. So basically, they have positioned in such a way that so that they can't like they don't interrupt each other. So, for example, as we have discussed now, geostationary satellite, which is basically fixed at the position which is very high from the ground. So it's about 36,000 kilometer. So let's discuss about geosynchronized satellite. These remaining four satellites are placed in geosynchronized orbit, which provide additional coverage. These satellites move in synchronization with the Earth rotation, enhancing the overall positioning accuracy of the system. Like different positioning of the satellite works for different applications. I mean, like one does more coverage, one does a small coverage. Depends on what satellite does. Let's talk about the ground segment. The ground segment of IRNSS consists of various control and monitoring stations. These stations play a role in satellite management, ensuring optimal operations and facilitating the dissemination of data to ensure. So as as we have discussed this, we also use the satellite to ensure, to ensure or to monitor whatever is happening on the Earth, enhancing the accuracy. Okay, these are all just jump topics. I think. Let's go to the main topic now. Okay, how IRNSS works. So we will be discussing the overview of IRNSS working mechanism, and we will directly jump into the application of IRNSS. So let's discuss the overview of IRNSS. The Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System is a satellite based on navigation system. We already discussed this topic, and let's discuss the working mechanism. So IRNSS determines the user's position by utilizing the combination of signal transmitted from satellite and ground station. This synergy allows for precise positioning of timing and information. Basically, it sends the signal to the ground station where we could see how the satellite is working, and it will give the proper application of the satellite. What is the application of IRNSS? IRNSS has diverse application ranging from navigation for terrestrial and aerial vehicles to enhancing disaster management and agriculture planning. Its precise positioning capabilities support various sectors including transportation, telecommunication, and defense. So as we have discussed already, like why we are using IRNSS and what are the application of this. Okay, now we have the proper application of IRNSS. First, we have discussed the civilian application. So IRNSS serves a crucial role in various civilian sectors, enhancing efficiency and safety through its precise navigation capabilities. We use for the transportation. Like in nowadays, we are using a app in basically I'm from Karnataka, so we have a one app, Namma BMTC, where we can track the BMTC. It has an app. It will give an accurate position of the bus, so that we can easily catch the bus. And we can use also for the agriculture, like farmer with precise farming techniques, allowing them to utilize accurate positioning data for efficient crop management and yield optimization. And we could also use for the disaster management and military application as we have discussed before. Okay, let's discuss the advantages of IRNSS. So first thing, independency, made in India. It gives a proper accuracy, and you can easily reliable on that, and it will also help in the economic impact. Okay, Okay, challenges and limitation. So basically, the challenges that we face is signal interference, coverage limitation, and technology upgrades. IRNSS is the signal jamming and interface from the various sources, which can disturb the navigation services. This poses a significant challenge to the reliability and accuracy of the system, particularly in critical applications such as aviation and maritime navigation. So basically, because of the many signal that we are transferring, we could face a signal interference while doing the surveys. That's what it is saying about coverage limitation. While IRNSS provides area regional coverage primarily for India subcontinent, its effectiveness on a global scale is limited. This lack of global coverage can hinder its applicability for users outside the design area. Limitation its utility for international navigation and positioning. So we can't we don't use satellite which covers the whole global area. So it has a coverage limitations. And if you're talking about the technological upgrades, we don't have it that much advanced technology to use. So that's why we call it as a developing country. Okay, let's talk about the IRNSS, what is the global navigation system. The number of satellites. Our satellite has the 7 satellites providing regional, and where the GPS has the 31 satellites offering global coverage, and many more like coverage areas like NSS is designed for regional coverage primarily in India. GPS provides global coverage accessible anywhere on Earth, where Galileo is also a global system enhancing international navigation. If you're talking about the accuracy, IRNSS accuracy is about the 20 meters, GPS accuracy range from 5 to 10 meters, and Galileo brought an accuracy of about 1 meter. If you're talking about the reliability, IRNSS is highly reliable for regional regional navigation. GPS is regarded as very high reliability. So, okay, what is the future of IRNSS? We can use this for expansion of constellation, investment in R&D, enhanced signal processing, and user-centric developments and integration with the global system. So this basically saying that for the future we can integrate with the global system, or we can enhance our signal processing, and we can use for the user-centric development for our own advantages. And expansion of constellation, it means that enhancing its satellite constellation by adding more satellite. This expansion aims to significantly improve coverage across the region. So basically we have a 7 satellite for now. So in for the future we can use more satellite to do the more coverages. Okay, summary and the key takeaway you can take from this video. Significance of IRNSS, the Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System plays a crucial role in enhancing Indian navigation. So it has a high accuracy and reliability, which basically helps for the transportation and mainly military and civilian uses, integration with the global system, and continue and economic and national security benefits, as I said, like military. And we could have a continuous improvement in our IR and SS. So that's it for today, guys. I think we are done with our topics. If you have any questions, then please let me know in the comment section. And please make sure you subscribe this video. Thank you.